You having a lazy day and want some quick chicken? Look what I picked up from ASDA. So I got the ASDA breadcrumbs. Look at these. Garlic granules and some olive oil. Yeah, that wasn't the cheapest. Coat the ASDA chicken in the olive oil. Mix the breadcrumbs, your other breadcrumbs, the garlic granules. Dip the chicken in the oil. Then dip the chicken in the breadcrumbs. Put it on a tray. About half an hour in the oven. Make sure it's cooked, obviously. It's that simple. Hey Google, set timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes starting now.
I'm making rice. Most people would use spaghetti. We're going to make up a quick sauce. It'll be kind of like chicken parm. All ASDA ingredients, of course. We have the ASDA onion. Pan. Get your pan hot and add them onions. I would add some garlic, but I've used my last cloves, so what can I do? It would make it taste a lot better. Flip the chicken. You know it's ASDA passata. Get yourself a rice cooker, by the way. So much easier. I hate cooking rice on the pan. Turn that down just a bit. You'll never guess what else. ASDA cheese. The cheese. Hey Google, stop the timer. Most people would have probably finally chopped the onions up. I should have, but it's all good, it's all going to taste good. And now we're just going to melt it all together. 5-10 minutes in the oven so it's all come together nicely. You could put it under the grill. To be honest, under the grill might be better. I almost forgot. There we go, an ASDA price chicken parm.